Hello student, today I am going to discuss a numerical which will give you this how to find out the optimal sequence of parenthesization, so that we need the minimum number of computation to get the final matrix product. So here in this question there are 4 matrices and we have to find out the optimal set of parenthesization. The question may arise in your mind how these are there, how these 5 tuples defines the 4 matrix. Here the matrices are 5 cross 4, 4 cross 6, 6 cross 2 and 2 cross 7. So these are the this is the matrix, suppose A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this one A4. So there are 4 matrices and we have to multiply these matrices, and we cannot change their sequence. We have to keep their sequence as it is, because by changing the order it would be against the basic concept of the matrix multiplication, that number of the row in the first matrix should be equals to the number of column in the second matrix. So while we are multiplying, we cannot change the sequence of the matrix, but the sequence of the parenthesization change the number of computation. To get the optimal set of parenthesization, here first we shall draw a like this. In this matrix, this is I variable, this is J variable. Okay? Okay, since there are 4 matrices, so J will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have initialized 2 variables, a matrix like structure 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Now I have discussed the formula of matrix multiplication, that for matrix multiplication that we use a formula that Mij is equals to 0 if I equals to j and is equals to minimum of Mik plus Mk plus 1 comma j into Pi minus 1 Pk Pj. Here I have used the term minimum because k values lies between k lie between I and j. So by using this formula, we shall fill up this matrix and we shall get the optimal set of parenthesization. Since here when I equals to j, this is j, then value is equals to 0. So by default all the values at the bottom when I equals to j, this will be equals to 0. Okay, so when I equals to j, this would be equals to 0, because here 1 with 1, when I equals to 1, j is equals to 1, then Mij equals to 0. When I equals to 2, j equals to 2, Mij equals to 0. For M33 would be 0, similarly the M44 would be equals to 0. Now we shall go for this formula and we shall apply this, check the value for, this is the P, and these number are as P0, P1, P2, P3 and P4. Okay, this is the value, this is called P0, P1, P2, P3 and P4. Okay, now we shall calculate the value of M12. So when we shall calculate M12, so here M12 is equals to, as per formula, equals to minimum of M1 comma j, k. For since I equals to 1, k equals to 2, so j equals to 2, so k can only be 1, because k lies between 1 and I and j. So this is 1, this is 2, so k value can be 1 only. So this is equals to M11 plus M k plus 1. K plus 1 means I explain you m I1k k plus 1 comma j is equals to 2 plus pi minus 1 I is equals to 1 here, so 1 minus 1 and pk and pj equals to 2. By placing the value m 1 comma 1 plus m 2 comma 2 for k equals to 1, for k equals to 1, this equals to p0 1 minus 1 0, pk is equal to 1 p2. So this would be equals to m11 is equals to 0, m22 is equals to 0 plus p0 is equals to 5 cross p1 is equal to 4, p2 is equals to 6. So 5 4 the 20, 120. So m12 is equals to 120, right? K value lies in between 1 I and j. K cannot be equals to j. So it is greater than equals to I but less than j. So the only possible value for k here is between 1 and 2 is equals to 1. So there is only one combination that I have to check, that equals to 120. Similarly, now M23 because I am filling in bottom up way. So this value is node is equal to 2 3 M23. So M23 I shall just M23 M23. So between 2 and 3 the only possible value for k is equals to 2. So for k equals to 2, k can't be equals to 1 because it is greater than 1. So equals to minimum is equals to m22 plus m33 plus pi minus 1. I is equals to 2, 2 minus 1 and k is equals to 2 and pj equals to 3. Okay, so this equals to p22 is m22 is equals to 0, m33 is equals to 0 plus p2 minus 1 plus p2 minus 1. p2 minus 1 means p1 is equals to 4 cross p2 is equals to 6 cross p3 is equal to 2. Once again, p1 is equal to 4, p2 is equal to 6 and p3 is equal to 2. So that's equals to 0 plus 0 plus 48. So that's equals to 48. So m23 is equals to 48, right? Okay, after this the next value is m34. The next value is m34. So I think that this is the same procedure. I am filling up the value in bottom up way, and first I have filled this value, after that I am filling the value of m34. M34. The only possible I is equal to 3, j equal to 4, so only possible value of k is equals to 3. So that's equals to M33 plus M44 plus pi minus 1. I is equal to 3, so 3 minus 1 and k is equal to 3 and j is equals to 4. So that's equals to M33 is equals to 0 plus M44 is equal also 0 and P3 minus 1 is equal to P2. 6 cross 2 cross 7. So that's equals to 0 plus 0 plus 84. So that's equals to 84. So this value would be equals to 84, right? Now we shall find the value of M13. M13, I am I comma j. Now in place of M13, this would be equals to, since I is equal to 1 and j equals to 3. So possible value of k in between is equals to 1, 2, 3. So for k there are three possible value, 1, 2. there are two possible values. K is lies in between I and j, and I equals to 1 and j is equals to 3. So the possible value of the k is equals to 1 and 2. So we shall find the value for both of them. So that would be equals to minimum of m for k is equals to 1. Here I am writing that k is equals to 1 and k is equals to 2. 1 plus m k plus 1 2 comma 3 plus I minus 1. I is equals to 1 means p0 into p0 into pk. K is equal to 1 and to pj. Pj is equal to p3. Okay, or here this would be equals to p for k equals to 2 1 comma 2 plus m 3 comma 3 plus I minus 1 means p0, and this will be equals to pk. K is equal to 2, so p2 into p3, right? Okay, so this would be equals to 0 m11 is equals to 1 m11 is equal to 0 plus m23 is equals to 48 and p0 is equals to 5 cross p1 4 cross p3 is equal to 2. So this would be equals to 0 plus 48 plus 5 for the 20 22 the 40. So this equals to 0 sorry 88. So this is equals to 88. I am drawing a line in between these two to keep them separate. For the mk is equal to 2, m12 is equals to 120 plus m33 is equals to 0 plus p0 is equals to 5 into p2 is equals to 6 and p3 is equals to 2. So this equals to 120 plus 0 plus 60 and 5 into 60. So that's equals to 180. So all this is equals to 180. So we have here for k equals to 1, the expression value is equals to 88, and for k is equals to 2, the expression value is equals to 180. Among these two, 80 and 180, the minimum value is 88. We have to fill this place with the minimum of the value, and along with this we shall create a matrix here also, small matrix, which will remind us that what for this portion only 1 2 3 for 4 another matrix 1 2 3 4 for we are calculating for m13 we are getting the minimum value at position number 1 when to keep in our mind, because after this I shall rub this page to keep it simple. I have filled this value in second matrix by value 1, because here I have got the minimum value for k is equals to 1. So this is the k matrix, that this place k 1 2 3 minimum value occurs when k is equals to 1, and this value is equals to 88. Okay, this value is equals to 88, and now the second value is m24. So I am rubbing this m24. Here I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 4. So possible value of k in between are 2 and 3. So the minimum value is equals to minimum of k is equals to 2 and k is equals to 3 and equals to m 2 comma 2 plus m 3 comma 4 plus P0, Pi minus 1. It means P1 into P K. K here is equal to 2 and Pj, J is equals to 4. Similarly, here 2 comma 3 plus M 4 comma 4 plus here P I minus 1 means P1, Pk, K is equal to 3 and J is equals to 4. So that would be equals to M22. M22 is equals to 0 plus M34. M34 is equals to 84. This is why it is called dynamic programming, because we are reusing the data that we have already computed. We are directly using the combination M34 minimum value here, that is 84, and the final P1, P2, P4. P1 is equals to 4 cross P2, P2 6 cross P4, P4 7. 0 plus 84 plus 4 6 is 24, 24 cross 7. 168. So equals to 252. This equals to 252, and for here M23, M23 is equal to 48 plus M44 is equals to 0 plus, once again I am checking here, P1 is equal to 4, P2 is equals to 6, P4 is equal to 7. ठीक है, okay, right. ठीक है, right. और here is equal to P1. P1 is equals to 4 cross P3. P3 is equals to 2 and P4 is equals to 7. So this is equals to 48 plus 0 plus 56. So that's equals to 104. So this equals to 252 and this equals to 104. So among these two, the minimum value is equals to 104 for k equals to 3. So in place of M24, we shall mark that this is equals to for k equals to 3, and for 3 the value is equals to 104. The value is equals to 104, right? After that, the last step, the final and last step, M14, bit y is equals to 1 and j equals to 4. So possible value of k there are 3 possible values, 1, 2 and 3. So this will be a little bit there will be little more computation for k equals to 1. So I am dividing this portion blackboard into 3 halves. For M14 for k equals to 1, for k equals to 2 and for k equals to 3. For k equals to 1, this equals to M11 plus M24 plus Pi minus 1 means P0 into k, that's also P1, and Pj, P4. Okay. Similarly, this is equals to M11 is equals to 0 plus M24 is equal to 104. We are reusing the data. We are reusing the data because we already know from the chart that M24 is equals to 104. That's why it is called the dynamic programming. And P0, P1, P4. P0 is equals to 5 cross P1. 4 cross P4 is equal to 7. So equal to 104 plus P7 140. So equals to 244. For this case, the answer is 244. And now for M2, k equal to 2, equals to M12 plus M34 plus P0, P2, P4, right? M12 is equals to 120 plus M34. M34 is equal to 84 plus P0, P2, P4. P0 is equals to 4 cross P2. P2 is equal to 6 and P2 is equal to 6 and P4 is equals to 7. So this is equals to 120 plus 84, sure, that's 24 into 7, 168. So equals to 372. Similarly, for k equals to 3, this equals to M13 plus M44 plus, यहाँ visible है? Is it visible? And P0 is equals plus P0 into P0, P3 and P4. Okay, so that's the 13. 13 is equals to 88 plus M44 is equals to 0 plus P0, P3, P4. P0 is equal to 5 cross P3. P3 is equal to 2 cross P4 is equal to 7 is equals to 88 plus 70 is equals to 158. So among these, this value 158 for k is equals to 3, we are getting the minimum number of computation. So we shall fill this matrix with 3 and after that we shall fill this value with 158, right? Now the question does not end here. After that we shall find out, check this matrix, that we are getting the optimal figure when k is equals to 3. When k is equals to 3, for k equals to 3, the partition would be like this: A1, A2, A3, A4. When when k is equal to 3, then partition is like that: 1, 3 and M14 is divided like that, and M44 means 1 to 3 are 1 to 3 are combined together and in a one parenthesization, and A4 is out of it. Okay, here for M14 we got the optimal results when k was equals to 3 from this matrix. When k was equals to 3, by putting the value k is equal to 3, it partitioned into two sets, M13 and M44. So we have partitioned this matrix into two sets in which 1 to 3 are in a one set, and their product is multiplied by A4. After this, for M13, we are getting the optimal result when k is equals to 1. So among these three, we can multiply only two matrices at a time. So we need further partition in between these. So the M13 optimal computation is obtained when this is partitioned at position number 1. M13 is partitioned at 1 means A11 and A23, like this. So another partition will be like this when these two are together, and after that this will be multiplied. So first we shall multiply A2 with A3 then this would be multiplied with A1, and after that their result will be multiplied with A4, and this would be the solution product. So this is the sequence. First A2 and A3 are multiplied, then their product is multiplied with A1, and then they are multiplied with the A4. So this is the optimal set of parenthesization. Thank you.